I'm gonna be installing this wig. I know y'all seen this wig. I'm supposed to be having one coming in the mail soon. I'll be doing a review on that wig too. But I'm gonna be installing this wig and then adding these bundles to make it like a half up, half down with vein. So let's see how that shit turns out. Okay, next up, I just took my bonnet off and I'm just putting this wig on my head. Trying to make sure everything fits and feel okay. Now I'm about to lift this right here. It's banged up.
Very sorry.
By the way, I'm watching Grey's Anatomy. I've been watching it since yesterday. I'm on episode. Well, I was on season 1, but I don't know. It's just so slow. And then I clicked on the episode. There's so many episodes and seasons. I didn't even know how many seasons it was until I clicked on it. So I skipped, I think, all the way to season 4 or 5, I think. Shit. I wasn't about to sit there and keep on watching it because it was a slow start for me. It was a bit of, but the show is really good. It's really good. I love the show. I like to learn new stuff and shit like that. But right now, I got some Got to Be freeze spray. I don't have no lace glue, whatever. I'm about to freeze this thing down and go from there. So I'll show y'all me doing that a little bit, but then I'm try to speed it up some. I don't even know where my freaking edge brush is at. This is annoying. I'm annoying. My forehead. Don't even fucking talk about it, y'all. Anyway, just calm that shit on back, and then spray some on there. Oh god. Hold on now, cause I gotta tell y'all, the lady. They've been friends for so long, honey. The lady best friend came out and said she's sleeping with the man husband. I mean, the woman husband, her best friend husband, honey. And so now, the husband, he can't talk because they all got into a damn accident in the snow. He can't talk. He write a letter telling the wife that he lost his job, and the best friend come to the wife telling her her husband lost his job 8 months ago. The whole time they've been messing around for 8 months. She said, oh, we went to lunch one time and then it turned into 2, and come to find out they've been messing around for 8 months. Child, it's a mess. They talking right now, but it's really a mess.
Yeah, I'm blessed. Until today, I took it for granted. I took you for granted. We've been friends for 50 years.
I just don't get it.
Since we were little girls. And
Y'all been friends for 50 years. This lady and her husband been married for I don't know how long. So, how long you been eyeballing her husband? Let's talk about it. I ain't gonna play the show though. I ain't gonna keep talking. Play the show. It's really a mess. And now, mind y'all, I was just talking shit about the lady. Now watch this.
with my husband. Please. I'm glad you see Betty. Couldn't see my friend.
Cause they friend got and that last thing to show you. Sometimes you just gotta walk away from toxic
mistakes, huh?
You just gotta walk away.
Mistakes?
That's your best bet because they had you in some shit. Simple as that. They had you in some mess, honey. And we're not trying to be in it. Yeah, and he cheating on his wife, and the whole time he lost his job 8 months ago. They insurance, they in the hospital, they insurance just expired.
I shine in the dark, it's easy to slip. Don't want you to fall, walking with a drip that make it look.
Alright, y'all, so now
Check on things. I don't want her to be alone.
blow dry and freeze spray. The lace front down. So now, just that.
Sarah, Anna, am I in the hospital?
Y'all, this the friend. She finally gets some sense back now, I believe.
Where's Vincent? Is he okay?
I think her husband died.
Your husband is on his way. He'll be here any minute. He's on his way now. Yes. Oh, he's just around the corner, actually. If you watch the door, you'll see him any minute. You'll see him. Good. He's on his way. He's on his way. Around the corner. Yes. Around the corner.
He on his way. I'm confused. I'm so confused. Anyway, turn it down. Now they messy on Grey's Anatomy, y'all. Anyway, I need to throw my edges brushed out. I can do my edges. I should use the dog toothbrush, y'all, but he gonna kick my ass. Let me stop playing. I don't even know where my edge brush is at. You know, I said the same thing edge brush for years now. And who thinks about I found it. Oh, shit.
I promise, I really wasn't talking about much. That's why I was fast forwarding in a lot of clips because honestly, you know, when you're doing lace, it's a lot of repetitive stuff. So I was just fast forwarding.
Anyway,
We're 1,000 miles from comfort. We have traveled land and sea. But as long as you are with me, there's no place I'd rather be. I would wait forever, exalted in the sea, as long as I am with you.
Alright, so now I need to put up my blinds and my dog home. So that's what I'm gonna do. And now while that's heating up, I need to go try these ones. I just sprayed them with a little water. They old too. I'm gonna old too. Y'all, somebody please get rolled. Can I help you? What do you want? Y'all, he just got that ass tore real bad earlier before I even started recording. Cause he's potty trained very well. He's potty trained very well, but on some days, Will decides that he don't want to finish using the bathroom on his pad. So he decides to walk on over on the rug, and he shits on the rug. And it ain't like it's piss. I be annoyed about the piss part too. But I'm not playing about no shit because I gotta get the fucking carpet cleaner and vacuum and shampoo that shit up because that shit gon' sit in the damn carpet. And it stinks. So nobody's nasty. So yeah, we're gonna go clean shit up. But damn. Anyway, you gotta whoop him. Cause he got finger stand. Don't let him try to fool you. Bundles is dry now. I'm gonna try to do half up, half down. If not, it's really gonna be whatever. Cause
I've never done this before.
hi.
I've never kissed a girl. I'm not sure I even like kissing girls.
What
I don't,
in the world is
actually,
going
like
on?
kissing girls.
They talking about
I remember kids. So you're freaking out too? A lot of therapy time. Yeah.
Alright.
Just go, ah, and then I get all clingy and, okay, you don't need
I
to
have
know
the
that
time
yet.
thing.
This is,
And I do
this kind of makes us virgins, doesn't it?
I
I
comment.
guess in a way it does.
I wanna play some music,
Virgins.
but
Hey, we can be scared together. Kind of
I don't wanna get copyrighted.
We can be scared together. Okay?
So whatever. sprayed my hair. You know, I had it all up, so some of that free spray at the like hairline part of the wig is kind of hard. So I'm just trying to.
Reality. It's so much more interesting than living happily ever after.
And should I do this half on, half down? Alright,
Derek's moved in, and we've
But I love me some girls.
Who you're feel-
now. Let me get on the messy stuff.
What do I want?
Y'all be on the tea room? Make sure y'all comment and let me know if y'all be on the tea room. But that'd be messy. Shade room, tea room on YouTube.
So Jazz posted a video on YouTube of her pranking Armand with Reginae as her lock screen, and Armand basically admitted that Reginae was his girl.
Uh-oh.
Why you got Reginae on your screen? You got my girl, Reginae on your screen. Huh? Why do you have...
my girl, Reginae on
your screen?
This is giving like, what is it, like 90s? When they used to...
So let's speak on this
Have
next
the curly
topic with
hair
Carmen
and
and
straight
Corey.
bangs.
As I stated yesterday, Corey is back home and seems like things are all good between Carmen and Corey. Corey posted photos of the two of them. Carmen comments underneath the photo.
Oh my
and there
God,
they are. Now let's check.
my freaking hot comb just fucking melted the fucking toilet seat. Look at my shit. Oh my God. Always some dumb shit happening to me. Oh my God.